Hi, my name is Steve Enriquez with Marco Equipment Company, and I'm going to talk a little bit about our mid-size walk-behind floor scrubber. Previous model was our factory Cat Magnum. This unit still had the tank type design. As you see here with the open recovery tank, we had a solid stainless steel lid with access to take a look at your guys' recovery tank. Factory Cat moved over to a new model. The new model mid-size is our Factory Cat MiniHD. This unit still has the openness of the recovery tank, so you can clean out every angle. The lid is different. You have a complete clear lid, so you can see all access of your recovery tank. We beefed up some of the vacuum system where we actually have a filter, so prevent any foam going into your guys' vacuum. Another good security blanket for your guys' vacuum. Still have the tank-to-tank design, and this new model also has an additional fill port where some customers that don't have access to garden hose or janitor closet, you can actually go to your sink, fill this with your faucet, and you'll be able to fill your solution tank. This model also has what we call our Bando System, another security blanket for you guys' vacuum. This whole compartment here, if water did pass that filter and enter your guys' recovery tank, this is going to be the last barrier for your security for your vacuum. So when you turn off your system, it'll actually bleed out your recovery water, therefore preventing it from getting to your vacuum. This model comes still both in our cylindrical unit as well as our disc unit. If you'd like to talk more or have concerns about your machine or want to replace your units, you can reach us on our website as well as our phone number, 1-800-423-6220. Thank you.